Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna replace the Evap canister on this 2012 Volkswagen CC. So basically what happened to the car is every time you went to put gas, the car always go click. The gas is not taking the gas like it always normally should, and each time when that happen, it's either the tank or the canister. The canister normally be in the wheel well or right under here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the wheel to take off the fender liner, and then we can see if it's what's the problem will be. So once you jack up the car, you just want to get a hook like this and just go in here, pull these caps out. And for the Volkswagen, it's going to be 17mm or your lug tool. So 17mm, like I said. Yo, you got your car ready? Yeah. So once you remove the screws, one under here and the rest over here, you can just hold this and take this out. I think we have one more screw somewhere up here. So that's the canister back there. Alright, so this is it right here. We're gonna take off the hoses that run on it, which is this tool right here. It look a little different from the one I get, but it's basically the same thing you want to look like. So I'm gonna take the hose off, get this one off, squeeze this one at the top, and take this one off also. And there's one more hose at the top right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray some WD-40 on it, because that seems to help with removing holes. So it's gonna have two 10mm at the bottom. It's gonna hook into something at the top. So once you clear the studs at the bottom, right there, you just go ahead and pull down on it. So basically this is the one I'm gonna put in. That's the other one. So I don't know if this is a newer one or what, but you can see it have some different in the way it's set up, but it's basically the same thing based on what I'm seeing. So let's go ahead and install this one. I'm gonna plug it in first and then push it up, hook it in the back. You have a hook in the back, you gotta wiggle it down and push down on it for it to come out. Let's install it. So I'm gonna catch back this 10mm right here, one right here, catch this back right here, push it till it clip. This one, push it till it clip also. Push it until you hear it click. Once it click, you can just run this over there. That's for your overflow if you put too much gas in it. This one at the top, go ahead and set this back right here. So basically this is supposed to vent the gas for you guys, but it's not venting, it's holding the pressure, so that's why it's like doing it like that. Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and put on back the fender liner. So that's it, guys. Put that back, wheel on. Let's go to the gas station. Alright, let's go test it.